We'll be fine.
Oh yeah.
We'll be fine. Okay. Ready.
All right, cool. So, if you want to just read us off of there.
All right. PAX brief.
Yeah, so that's a passenger brief. I'm going to go through this real quick, kind of like a flight attendant would do.
Okay.
So, we have this acronym SAFETY. So, seatbelts, we showed you how to do those.
Mm-hmm.
A, our air. This is our air vent.
Okay.
You want more air, pull it out. You want less air, push it in.
Okay.
It's just that mechanical.
Okay.
We have our heat. Obviously not going to use that today.
Yeah.
Over here. A F fire extinguisher right down here. You pull this little tab, that unleashes it. Unlatches it, I should say.
Unleashed.
Yeah. So then, let's secure that thing back in. A, F, E, exits. So how you get out of these planes. Whatever. Your door will be closed like that.
Okay.
All you do, pull up on the latch, push back, your door opens.
Okay.
T, traffic. If you see another plane, say something to me. I may or may not see it.
Okay.
Same thing with the engine. I mean gauges or anything like that. If something doesn't quite look right to you,
sure,
still say something.
Right.
Could be nothing, could be something.
Right.
Any questions?
No, I think that's good.
All right, sweet. Now we can work our way down.
All right. Seat tracks locked.
Yep, we're secure. Let me give it a little jiggle.
Got it. All right. Fuel valve both.
Both.
Still on both. Trim set for takeoff. So on the white. Circuit breakers check in.
Yep, they're still in.
Still in. Okay. Mixture is full rich.
Now we're getting that all the way in.
Okay. Now we're okay with the propeller going.
Yep.
Throttle 1/2 inch.
So we're just opening it about 1/2 inch, just like that.
Okay. Beacon on.
Yep. So there's our light.
Still on. Key insert.
So put that key in there. Do not turn it yet, though.
Okay. All right. Key in. All right. Prime 3 to 6 strokes.
Yep. That's a primer. You got to kind of twist it and pull it out. There's a little ball on it, and you have to line it up with this little gate. So you'll see.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
All right. So that's one.
Yep.
Or that's one. Is that the down?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's 2.
2. And you want 3?
Yep. So now lock it up.
Okay.
Give it a little wiggle. All right. Not going anywhere. Good.
Okay. Master on. See these guys?
Yep.
Okay. Ready to start. Area clear.
Yep. So we're looking left, looking right. Then we say clear prop.
Clear prop.
That all looks good.
All right. Brakes hold.
Yep. So we're on the top pedals.
Okay. I'll let you do that.
Okay.
Ignition start.
So yeah. Turn that key until I tell you to stop.
Okay. All the way over?
Yep. Alright, release. Now I'm coming over here. I'm setting 1,000 RPM.
1,000.
Right about there.
Okay. Oil pressure green.
Pressures are in the green.
Okay. Mixture lean 1 inch.
So it twists for minor adjustments. This way we're not dumping so much fuel into the engine.
Okay.
So that's why we do that.
Okay. Flaps up. Okay. Ammeter check.
So this guy bounces around a lot.
Right.
It's not normal, but it's normal for this plane. So that's okay.
Gotcha. Yeah, it was in the 0 when we had the master on earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, pre-taxi, avionics on.
Yeah, so there's a silver switch right about right here on your side.
Okay.
You turn it on, we're gonna hear a pop.
Okay.
Now we can use our headset.
Okay. push it, right?
Yep.